कोई सपने में भी नहीं सोच सकता कि 20 साल बाद ये लड़का देश की राजधानी पे राज करेगा। कोई मामूली बात नहीं है ये, किसी चमत्कार से कम नहीं है ये बात। अरविंद जी का जन्म 16 अगस्त 1968 को हुआ था, 1968। और ये जानकर आपको आश्चर्य होगा कि उस दिन कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी थी, यानी भगवान कृष्ण का जन्मदिन। ये कोई मामूली इत्तेफाक नहीं है। मुझे लगता है, मैं कई बार सोचती हूं कि जरूर भगवान उनसे कुछ करवाना चाह रहे हैं।
Now, Sunita Kejriwal drawing a connection between Lord Krishna and Kejriwal's birthday drew a sharp reaction from the BJP, taking a swipe at Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. The BJP said that while Lord Krishna was Makhan Chor, Kejriwal was Sharab Chor.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सुनीता जी ने अपने पति की सही डिस्क्रिप्शन की है, बस थोड़ी सी चूक कर गई। कृष्ण माखन चोर थे, केजरीवाल शराब चोर है। लॉर्ड कृष्णा वाज माखन चोर एंड हियर अरविंद केजरीवाल इज शराब चोर।
सुनीता भाभी जो आप कर रही हैं वो बहुत ही गलत है। एक तरफ तो आप कह रही हैं कि कितनी बुरी हालत है केजरीवाल जी की, कभी भी वो कोमा में जा सकते हैं, कभी भी उनको ब्रेन स्ट्रोक हो सकता है। फिर आप क्यों उनको छोड़कर ऐसे हरियाणा जा रही हैं और प्रचार कर रही हैं और 5-5 गारंटियों की बात कर रही हैं, उनको हरियाणा का लाल बता रही हैं, भगवान कृष्ण भी आप उनको बता रही हैं। आप क्यों राजनीति के चक्कर में अपने पति की फिक्र नहीं कर रही? राजनीति तो आप बाद में भी कर सकती हैं ना सुनीता भाभी जी।
So we just heard that face-off and Isha joins us now. Isha, what is Sunita Kejriwal's next step? She seems to be leading the Aam Aadmi campaign in the absence of her husband, and how does the BJP plan to counter her?
Right, Ankit. So, Sunita Kejriwal drew a parallel between Lord Krishna and Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, to remind our viewers, Aam Aadmi Party is was one of the first parties to come out and start condemning the BJP for raking up the Lord Ram issue, stating that Lord Ram and BJP are not the same thing. So now, once they've done the same thing, this definitely takes them on the back foot in terms of the moral compass, because the moral ground that they were taking has been shattered, because they have done the exact, if not something different, the exact same thing, drawn a parallel between Lord Krishna and Arvind Kejriwal. Obviously drawing flack from the BJP, Ajay Alok hit out all guns blazing at Arvind Kejriwal and his wife Sunita Kejriwal, stating that Arvind Kejriwal is indeed related to Lord Krishna, but related to how he would steal butter, and Arvind Kejriwal steals liquor. That is what the parallel that the BJP is drawing. In fact, Sunita Kejriwal has been at the front end since Arvind Kejriwal's arrest. She has now emerged as his voice, like Aam Aadmi Party states. But again, a lot of back and forth taking place, Ankit, and for viewers to ponder, if Aam Aadmi Party continuously raises that Hindutva angle is bad and the BJP is the one raising it, why would they come out and rake the same thing and compare Arvind Kejriwal to God himself? Back to you.
Right. Now, do stay with us. In fact, I mean, what is the AAP's plan in Haryana? What are their prospects like? Because we've known that they've been trying to expand beyond Delhi. They've done very successfully in neighboring Punjab. Is Haryana a very big election, and how will they cope if Arvind Kejriwal is not allowed to campaign this time?
Ankit, one of the main leaders in Haryana is Aam Aadmi Party.
In fact, Isha, do hold on to that thought. I believe Shehzad Poonawala of the BJP is joined with us. Shehzad, what do you have to say about this mention by Sunita Kejriwal about how Arvind Kejriwal shares his birthday with the day that Janmashtami happened that year, and your party seems to be attacking him over it? Tell us what this is about.
First of all, factually, 1968, Janmashtami was on 15th August. Somebody can go and check it. But having said that, the larger point is that I want to really know now what Jairam Ramesh says. Because when Prime Minister alluded that whatever he does, God is the inspiration for his actions, Jairam tweets every day, non-biological PM, non-biological PM. Here, Sunita Kejriwal is drawing a direct parallel with Lord Krishna, the Lord of the Universe. And she's comparing Kejriwal, who rightly said is not Makhan Chor, but he's a chore in every other sense. She's drawing parallel with Lord Krishna. So I want to know now, will Jairam Ramesh call Mr. Kejriwal non-biologicals here? वैसे भी उनकी आत्मा स्पिरिट जो है वो तिहाड़ के बाहर घूम रही है. So today I want to know whether Congress party endorses this comparison made by Sunita Kejriwal of Mr. Kejriwal with Lord Krishna, because they have a view on everything. So today I am really waiting for their expression on this.
But as a follow-up to your party, I mean, surely as his wife, she has every right to bring up good things about him that she believes at a rally, right? Do you not think that maybe you're overreacting, launching a very fierce counter-attack back at her for highlighting just his birthday, essentially?
I pick no bones with Sunita ji. She will obviously see Devta and her husband. But having said that, please ask the women of Delhi who are not getting drinking water, what do they see in Kejriwal? Whose husbands and families have been destroyed because of the liquor ghotala, what do they see in Kejriwal? Whose children have been failed in the 9th class in Delhi schools, what do they see in Kejriwal? So it's not Sunita Kejriwal's opinion about Mr. Kejriwal, it is the court's opinion and people's court's opinion about Mr. Kejriwal.